Currently, we are working for a logistics company, a company that supports the aviation industry. We provide IT support for different clients, and as much as possible, we want to make sure that their IT operations, their daily IT operations, are running 24/7. So currently, we are supporting different platforms. Making sure that whatever the IT needs are met and actually are provided. Currently, we are managing more than 3,000 number of units that has different operating system. That's the reason why we have chose this product to help us automate most of the process that we are doing daily. It has helped us. Desktop Central has helped us a lot managing this type of endpoints, especially on managing patching them, making sure that the endpoints are secured, and also the most critical part for us is data leakage prevention. So with the features of Desktop Central, like for example blocking the USBs, and patch management, we are able to make sure that at least 90%, close to 100%, that all of our endpoints, even our servers, are, we can say, patched and are currently on operational level. Before purchasing Desktop Central, we were using manual way of patching both servers and client PCs. So we were doing using different utilities from the internet, like downloading them and then patching them over a shared space. But doing this one actually is a manual task. So sometimes we are not able to meet the deadlines that is required, you know. And by using the Desktop Central, especially their patch management thing, which is very nice, we are able to patch at least, like what I said, 90% of the end client stuff. Also, through Desktop Central, we are able to execute different types of scripts that allow us to, manipulate the end client plus the servers, which makes our work very, very easy. And for that thing, we have different time, or you can say we have time to spend to do other things rather than just managing and doing like a firefighting type of work. We are able to concentrate more of the projects, and we are able to deliver. We were evaluating different types of products, different types of solutions. Specifically, we compared them with Microsoft SCCM. But the beauty of Desktop Central is, aside from what it can do from the SCCM, it has more features. We are able to patch even third-party applications, and like what I said, we are able to also to do OS deployment. That's which has a flexibility, and it can be done both on-premise and in the cloud as well. So with these additional features that ManageEngine has, it is tailor-made for us IT professionals to use it more easily. So in that way, you could focus your other energy on other things, because this one is so easy to use. You don't have to have a very in-depth knowledge on how to use it, but just sitting on it, spending a few moments, you will be able to grasp what it's able to do, because it's from the user experience to the GUIs and stuff, it's all straightforward. The feature that we like most about Desktop Central is, one, its simplicity. Number two, its effectiveness. And number three is that, if I'm not mistaken, it is ITIL compliance. That's the reason why it makes the IT process, or the things that you do in the IT, it follows that process, so it's easier for us to execute whatever we wanted to do. So that makes Desktop Central, I can say, a real working tool. One of the, I could say, busy type of industry, and we are able to work at par. Those people who will be working on the same industry like us, definitely they will also have this experience of having the leeway that Desktop Central gives us to better manage and easier manage both servers and clients. With Desktop Central, with the use of different types of scripts, you can automate so many things, it means what you can do is so huge and endless. As long as you get the scripts, which, by the way, actually, the good thing about this one is the feature that we love as well is that Desktop Central gives us this support free of charge, and you can get these templates on the internet free, and then you can just execute them. And if you have some challenges, you can actually go back to them, and they will refer back to you and give you the solution actually that you need. They actually work along with you. They don't just sell you the product; they work along with you. Yeah, just recently we had some issues where our infrastructure went down. So when it went down, one of the things that went down as well was Desktop Central. Now, when we tried to build it, we had some problems with the database putting it back. So worst case scenario is what we did, we called the support, and they were so supportive that they helped us building it from scratch, that we are able to build our environment in just few days and working back again. Not only help us working it back, but they are also they help us free of charge to actually upgrade it into a newer version, in which now we are able to how should I say this? We are able to enjoy the benefit of the latest version as well. And this is all part of how should I say, a vendor and a client relationship, in which you get the most from your vendor, not just the money you had paid, but they are also building a relationship. And that's what's important, you know, because when you have this type of relationship, it is much easier for you to work along. I think that's the main reason why Desktop Central is different from other products.